Heading out. Dreary, rainy, windy day, but I bet I have the river to myself. Gonna throw, can you see that? Gonna throw that streamer, and we'll see what happens. Here's the fishing grounds today. I'm gonna start down here. Throw this streamer, some of that deep water right there. I'm just going to work up this river, eventually ending up there. All streamer. Let's see how it goes. There he is. Nice fish right here. Nice fish. Feels nice. I haven't seen him yet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Oh boy. Look at this big old boy. Look at this big old boy. All right. There you go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Woo-wee. Beautiful, bud. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You definitely like that. And I'm hoping you guys can capture this. I want you to see just how big these freaking crawfish are in here. Can you see that thing? I don't know if you can see that. That is a huge sucker fish. There's a giant crawfish there and a red one right there. Wow. I'll try to catch him and get him on video. Look how big that thing is. It's a tank.